This is just going to be a quick update video to let you guys know the direction of the channel and where we're headed and what we're doing with the YouTube Mastermind community. So for those of you that don't know, we run a community on School for new YouTubers who want to grow and monetize their channel. And it's a great place to find like-minded people that are also creating videos and growing through the journey of growing their YouTube channel. So if you're not inside the community yet, I'll leave a link for you in the description down below so you can head over and join us inside the YouTube Mastermind. We do live weekly group calls there, and it's a great discussion around what we're doing, what's working and what isn't working, and learning lessons together. So if you're looking for a community to be a part of as a new YouTuber, then come across and join us. The reason why we've been so quiet on this channel recently is that we just got married this year and we've been on honeymoon. So most of what we've been doing has been around that. It was a busy time of year, but great to have family here with us and to celebrate. So I'll show you a few quick snippets of the wedding and what we've done. We're busy with that video, and once it's ready, we will share it with you guys here on the channel so you can see a bit of the behind the scenes of what it's like to live the lifestyle of a YouTuber and to be a full-time YouTuber, because that's what we're all about here. I want you to experience the kind of freedom that we do in order to live the life that you want for yourself. And it's a great place to be. We used to be stuck in a corporate job, and I know exactly how it feels to feel like you chained to the desk or you stuck in this place. And it doesn't have to be that way. There are better ways to go about it. There are better plans for your life, and there are ways to break free and build a business and build a YouTube channel that you can monetize in the right kind of way by building a loyal audience and a following. And that's what I want you to help you guys do. I want you to have a YouTube channel where you have a platform that you can talk from, and you can talk about the kind of things that excite you, and you can actually help deliver value and give people value, because that's what we can do within the videos. You can digitize the knowledge, you can digitize your experience and everything that you've learned and all the problems that you're solving, and you can share it with people all over the world at any time of day. Once you create videos, that's the exciting thing, is you can share it with so many people, and people can watch that video when they're ready for it. So the information is delivered exactly when they're ready to hear it and absorb the most out of it. We've just got off our weekly coffee club call with the YouTube community, and we had such good discussions around how everyone's doing it. Des has just monetized his YouTube channel, so it's a really exciting time that he's monetized his YouTube channel in that 90-day challenge period that we've taken him through on the Rocket 50 program. So what is that Rocket 50 program? We teach you how to create and publish your first videos on your first 50 videos on YouTube. And it's all about giving you the right kind of structure to create videos that actually get you the views that you deserve. A lot of us in the beginning create YouTube videos and they feel like they're going out into the void and you're not actually reaching your people. And that's what we do. We learn how to package and create the videos that reach your audience. A lot of the time, what you need to show people on their journey, it's like broccoli. No one wants to eat broccoli, but they know it makes you healthy. So how do you get people excited about broccoli? Well, you wrap it up in bacon and you make it sweet and exciting and enticing. And that's what we learn how to do inside the YouTube community. So how do we package your videos? How do we create great thumbnails that people want to click on? How do we create interesting titles that entice people into wanting to find out what's inside your video and getting them to click, getting more people to click on your video so that you can actually get good views? And then we're all about how do we retain the audience and get them to watch your videos longer, and not only watch that video, but watch more videos from your channel. Because once you get into the Rocket 50 and you have 50 videos on your channel, you have an amazing library of content and videos that can help people solve different problems along in their journey. And that's where the power of the leverage of having a library of videos on your channel so that you can really create a life of freedom. And that's all the stuff that we get excited about, and that's what we talk about every single week inside that YouTube community, and what we're going to be creating videos about on this channel to help you guys throughout 2025 get started and grow your YouTube channel. So if this is something you're excited about, growing your YouTube channel, make sure you hit the like button to let us know, and leave us a comment on what your goals are for your YouTube channel in 2025. Do you want to reach monetization? Do you want to grow your audience to a certain level? What do you want to achieve? Let us know, and let us know what your YouTube channel is all about. What do you make videos about, and who do you help? Who is your dream viewer that you want to reach with your videos? I'm excited to find out more about your YouTube channel, and then come and join us in the community, because we can share learnings, we can ask questions in there, you can share thumbnails and titles and video ideas for feedback within the community, and it's all completely free. So why not come and join us? Looking forward to seeing you guys in the next video that I'm going to leave for you right here so you can watch it straight away.